Hello everyone, welcome back to the Soul Garden channel. Today we're going to discover a simple secret to help tomato plants grow stronger and produce plenty of fruit. In this video, I'll share an easy method using eggshells and rice to help plants develop healthy roots, sturdy stems, and produce more tomatoes. When applied correctly from the beginning, tomato plants will grow more vigorously, develop thicker green leaves, and deliver a more abundant harvest. To help tomato plants thrive from the early stages, we need to create a natural source of calcium that roots can absorb more easily and effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language.